Good morning, everybody. I'm speaking on biopesticides, an emerging opportunity. Biopesticides, today we are thinking is a new science, a new technology, a new business, an emerging business. 130 years ago, a fungus by name Bavaria bassiana was discovered to be entomopathogenic fungus. Trichoderma viridae was discovered to be a biofungicide about 80 years ago. Majority of plant extracts known to be as alkaloids are known for thousands of years. When we talk of a new business, it doesn't mean to be that the chemistry is new, the discovery is new. It is just that the perspective of the time today is becoming more and more congenial for looking at concepts which can fit in sustainable agriculture, which can coexist with modern, safe chemicals and modern farming systems. Basically, I'm a founder of a company called AgriLife from India. We manufacture biopesticides, and I used to work with Sandoz, a Swiss company, and the last 18 years I'm engaged in this business. I'm also representing an association of Biopesticides Producers Association. I'm the founder secretary of the organization. Crop protection, as we say, is basically a primary industry, is a component of primary industry. Agriculture is a primary industry. Modern chemistry has provided with many tools for fighting pests and diseases. Last 60, 70 years of research, starting from DDT to various chemicals which part of pest eradication, then realization to call it pest management or pest control, then pest management, now IPM. IPM, Integrated Pest Management, has recognized the fact that we have to use all resources judiciously. Last many decades, overuse and abuse of toxic substances certainly has resulted in ecological imbalance. So we have moved far away from pest eradication, pest control, to pest management, to pest IPM, an ongoing journey. Now, what is IPM? It basically helps in sustainable agriculture. We are only looking at a judicious use of chemicals and biologicals to optimize benefits from all kinds of inputs so that the feed, fodder and food are produced in such a way we can live longer, we can live healthier, and the earth can live more clean. The consumer in all over the world today is being more aware of toxic substances in food chain, and now it's becoming imperative for us to produce what we manufacture, what we market. We should manufacture and market certain things which consumer is willing to accept, and that's a responsible care. There's a trend of $40 billion already organic food business in world today. It's growing at a respectable pace. Even at 5% of the food production as a crop protection market, we're talking of probably $2 billion of pesticides or crop protection inputs which get put into organic farming. Today, as you all know, biopesticides is not even 1% of the global pesticide market of $40 or $42 billion. Interestingly, the emerging markets like organic food production of $40 billion should alone give a figure of about $1.5 to $2 billion in future. A lot of pests and diseases have developed resistance. More and more new microbials, more and more new plant extracts will be tried, and that is another emerging opportunity for the business. Lot of minor pests like mites, which was unheard of earlier as a major activity in tropical countries. Today, mite is a major problem. Mealybug is a major problem. Only chemical control is not feasible for this kind of insects. Therefore, what and how biosolutions can be put to work along with safe synthetics will be the future business. But the major constraint here, large corporations driven by IP, intellectual property, patent, are not motivated to be in this business. Everybody wants quarterly profits, best stock market indicators. Therefore, non-IP, non-patent business does not appeal to great multinationals. But then, when we use the word microbial biopesticides or plant extracts, these are all sui generis, known, public, known domain. Therefore, basically these concepts are not patentable. Majority of them. Like post 2003, a new organism or a new attribute can be patented, but then there's a rare opportunity. With no specific interest from large corporations coming in, the promotion and use of biopesticides is just left with small and very, I would say, medium companies who have very limited resources to popularize these products. There's a huge gap between the real demand and the placement of product in the market. Though there are immense opportunities, for example, in botanical origin biopesticides, good products are there for sucking insects, for mites, caterpillar pests, for fungal diseases. As you all know, azadirachtin neem product is an old known alkaloid. We have new products like Carangin, is an extract of Pongamia glabra. In fact, we make this extract for the last 3 to 4 years. We have developed a toxicology package also for this. Carangin is a good bioacaricide, good on mites, good on scales, good on thrips. Anonin, a very stable botanical extract from a plant called Annona squamosa. Very good larvicide for Spodoptera, Helicoverpa, loopers, and leaf-eating caterpillars. Is a very good pest. Such products are as good as, in fact, I can tell you, chemical insecticides. Stable for more than 2 years. Very uniform performance, but then, sorry, non-IP. But then, the entry restrictions in EU and, for example, Annex 1 guidelines make it impossible for small companies to enter this kind of business. Doesn't make it attractive for large companies to enter the business unless room full of dossiers are prepared so that entry barrier is created where a farmer has to pay tomorrow a higher price for the same product. We have microbial fungicides, for example, for fungal diseases, bioinsecticides for sucking insects like verticillium, then for mites, caterpillars, soil insects, nematodes. Lot of products are available for seed treatment, for nursery, for soil, foliar spray. For example, biofungicides. As I told you, 80-year-old science. Trichoderma viridae for seed treatment, Trichoderma hertzianum for plant foliar spray, Pseudomonas fluorescens, a very good bacteria as a fungicide, Bacillus subtilis is a PGPR and a biofungicide, Ampelomyces quisqualis, very good on powdery mildew, Fusarium proliferatum, very good at downy mildew, but then they are not biorational by definition in the sense that it is not extracted molecule where you create A and B name and create 1 ton of papers to create a barrier so that you can't enter the market. They are pure biological spore live organisms. Certainly, such though opportunities exist, many companies will not be interested. Insecticides, the Verticillium lacani, a very proven bioinsecticide for thrips, jassids, and mealybugs. It's excellent for mealybugs. Bavaria bassiana for surface feeding caterpillars. Metarhizium, a very good proven larvicide for termites and locust control. BTK is known for a long time. BTI is known, Metallizium for soil insects. A very important growing market in Europe particularly, I would say, is nematode control. As you see, DV and many kinds of chemicals are injected into soil, 800 to 1000 kilograms per hectare injected. All are toxic chemicals going to soil for nematode control. Just because the MRL doesn't come into a problem in the tomatoes and capsicum and peppers at the end of season, producer can put anything in soil because the final fruit doesn't get detected by this product. But the soil is getting spoiled completely. Today, the greenhouses in Spain or entire Mediterranean area, you won't see the nematode problem is severe. Proven bionematicides like Bacillomyces, Lalacinus, Bacillus primus, they are live spore organisms. They really perform well and they do not make the soil toxic. Such bionematicides have a big growth opportunity in future. This is the kind of scenario where we are in today, where consumer is looking for an opportunity of utilizing the resources which are less toxic, more sustainable. Regulators, yes, in a way they say we have to introduce safe products. Lawmakers do say that good products are required, but the kind of entry barriers created is resulting in market denial for good products to enter. The market denial basically is making the consumer not able to buy what he or she wants it, only because they are non-IP segments. My request to all August audience of this thing is, though they are non-patentable, they are all business opportunities. Please note, milk is non-patentable. It's a huge business opportunity. Cement is not patented roughly, big opportunity. Iron and steel is not patented, but big opportunity. Like that, biopesticides of the live microbial organisms are not patentable, yes, non-IP, yes, but a huge opportunity to enter, because from present 1% market share of $40 billion global crop protection market, it can reach 5%, 10% level. That means we are talking of something like $3 to $4 billion business in 3 to 4 years of time, or 5 years of time. If we are in the market today, we can certainly make the world more safer, greener, so that the food, fodder and feed chain can be more safely taken, consumed by a consumer. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Devner. Now, our next speaker is Emma Hockridge, who is Head of Policy at Soil Association, and Emma is going to be talking about something that everybody...
Probably a kind of unusual delegate for this kind of conference. But just in case some of you haven't heard what the Soil Association is, we're a food and farming charity campaigning for healthy and sustainable farming systems. So, to just give you an overview of what I'm going to discuss.